Well, today was the big day. Got my big block back. All right, let's take a look and see how she looks.